Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up VMs in VirtualBox. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the VirtualBox website, and you're going to want to get the downloader for it. Once you get to here, you're going to click Download VirtualBox 6.1. I'm not going to walk you through the installer because I already installed it, and also, you know, it's an installer, so you just kind of follow the directions it has. If you need help with it though, leave a comment and I'll try and help. Once you do that, you're going to have to get the ISO file for your operating system you want to use. So for me, I'm going to use Ubuntu. So I'm going to go to their website. And once you get here, go to download, and you select the version you want. So here's this. It's going to say thank you for downloading, and on the screen you get the option to donate to them. If you want to support them, you can, donate to them, but I already downloaded, so I'm not going to do that this time. So now that you have VirtualBox installed, you're going to want to run it. Oh, I should mention, don't run the ISO file you just downloaded. I don't know what it would do if you did. You're going to click New, and you're going to name it the operating system that you just installed. So for this one, Ubuntu. It's Linux, so you select Linux, version Ubuntu. And you change this for the different types of operating systems. So if you got Windows, you'd say Windows. If you got... So pretty much just whatever operating system you have. Then click Next. Give it as much memory as you want. You don't want to give it more than half of your system memory. So say you have 16 gigs, don't give it more than 8. Then you want to create virtual hard disk. Virtual disk image should work fine. Dynamically allocated should be good. This we can all leave the same. If you want to change how big your hard drive is, virtual hard drive, you change it here. And then click Create. Alright, so now you have this. You want to click Settings. In here, you want to go to System. Under Processor, you want to give it however many processor cores you think you'll need. So with this, you also don't want to use more than half of the amount of cores you have in your CPU. So 3 for me, because I have a 6-core CPU. If this is grayed out and you can't select anything, go into your BIOS and enable virtualization. Now in here, just give it all your memory. Storage, you want to click where it says empty, click the disk, choose the disk file, and select the ISO file you downloaded. Okay, the rest of this you should be able to leave if you want to, share stuff, you do that. You want to mess with your USBs, you do that. Serial ports, all that. And then you click OK. And then start. Here you click that, and you select this. For Ubuntu, it'll be the name of whatever ISO you're trying to run. So for me, it's Ubuntu, so it's the Ubuntu. Click Start. And it's going to, this is the start of the download process. So there's going to be some jump cuts in here because it's just a download screen pretty much. Okay, so now that this loaded, you're going to click Install Ubuntu. English US if you're in the US and want to use the English keyboard layout. test your keyboard, make sure it's working. Click continue. For me, since this is a tutorial and I want the download to be quick, I'm going to click minimal installation. You can do the full one if you want to. I'm going to do install third-party software because I need the drivers for my graphics card and stuff, and then click continue. So once this loads, you want to click, make sure it says erase disk. If you, set it up wrong and somehow make it actually detect your disk, which I don't think is possible, don't do that. But since it's the virtual hard disk, you select that and then install now. This is, good. Click continue. Select your time zone. Wherever you are. And then fill out these fields. So just whatever your name is, whatever you want your computer's name to be. Make a username and a password. And now it's going to begin installing. Okay, so once the download finishes, it says you need to restart to finish it, so click restart now. Press enter. I'm going to skip through this. You can set it up if you want to. So there's one last step before you're completely ready to use this, because you won't really save any of your previous settings if you don't. You want to click Devices, insert guest edition CD image, and then run. You're going to have to enter your password. It's going to run through the installer of it. And then just click enter. And so yeah, now you're done. Well, thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help. Leave a comment if you're having any problems and I'll try and help you out. I'd love to hear some suggestions for future videos. It could be tutorials, games you want to see, just anything. And, oh, one last thing. I have a Discord server now. If you want to join that, feel free to. So, see ya.